everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today, we will talk about how to fix the problem of system UI isn't responding. Sometimes it happens to you when your phone shows you this bar of system UI isn't responding and you have to close up or wait, and even if you click on close up it appears again and again. So to fix that problem, just follow us step by step. First, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go here above and you will search about system UI here. But don't worry if you don't have it in this list. You can search for another app in your Samsung phone here. We'll search about Play or Google Play services. As you see, you will enter here. You will click on that window. After that, you click on Force Stop. Then you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. And then you will move to clear data. Here on this page, you will find clear all data. And as you see here, you will find your Google Play services data would be deleted permanently and can't be retrieved. As well, you will click here on confirm to delete all your data to fix that problem. And after doing all these steps, you have to restart your phone. You have to click on the bottom of your phone and you click on restart, and then when you will restart your phone, then you can know or you can fix your problem. So if you enjoy watching this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.